It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth leather combination interior. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above we have some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also have our Bluetooth capabilities, climate control buttons, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Hold the button down and apply pressure to the brake to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, and this is our auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Encore GX, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood, roof rails up top. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, keyless access on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, remote start, and a hands-free power lift gate. I'm going to pop that open using our key fob here, pushing that button twice. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo shades, cargo hooks with a light, and a spare tire storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some USB ports, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down with ease by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at Western GMC Buick